Sir, si Jojo, hinawakan po yung black eye ko, kaya po napasigaw ako.
Ano raw?
Kasi sir, hinawakan ko yung black eye niya
Is that so? Hinawakan lang yung black eye mo? Yun lang?
Sorry, sir.
I told you very many times na kaya tayo natalo ng mga Hapon is because of people like you na takot masaktan. Mga scholars. Chuchupi-chupi. You better remember this. No pain, no gain.
Masakit?
Mr. Alfredo! Alfredo!
Sakit?
Mr. Alfredo! Alfredo!
Sir, present.
Who gave you the permission to make sigaw in my class?
Sir, kasi po si Jojan, hinawakan yung hematoma ko.
Toma! Tumutoma ka!
Hindi, sir. A hematoma is a condition wherein there is a large subcutaneous collection of blood due to the leakage of blood because...
Why don't you stand up when you're talking to me? Attention! That's better. So, ngayon, ipaliwanag mo sa akin. Bakit ka sumisigaw na parang kinakatay na baboy? Ha?
Sir, si Jojo, hinawakan po yung black eye ko, kaya po napasigaw ako.
Ano raw?
Kasi sir, hinawakan ko yung black eye niya
Is that so? Hinawakan lang yung black eye mo? Yun lang?
Sorry, sir.
I told you very many times na kaya tayo natalo ng mga Hapon is because of people like you na takot masaktan. Mga scholars. Chuchupi-chupi. You better remember this. No pain, no gain. Naintindihan mo ba yun?
Yes, sir.
I cannot hear you!
Yes, sir.
I still cannot hear you!
Sir! Yes, sir!
That's better! Okay. Now, class, let's go back to our home economics. The reason there's an illustration of bag here is because in economics, the basket is very important in marketing.
Masakit?
Mr. Alfredo! Alfredo!
Kawawa naman si Fred.
Hay nako, siya naman kasi no, hindi siya magbago. Tsaka isa pa, wala namang pumapansin sa kanya kundi si Pinky. Eh bakit mo nga ba pinapansin si Fred? Baby naman, unang-una, kapitbahay ko siya. Pangalawa, kababata ko siya, di ba? Tsaka okay naman si Fred eh. Mabait. Patalino. At ano? At nerd. Ay, hindi. Hindi siya nerd eh. Ano lang siya, eccentric. Yun.
You're such a winner! Oh my God, I can't believe it. Pinky! Oh my God, how are you? Girl, so nice to see you naman. Because you know what? We were making you hanap-hanap kanina pa. Yun pala, you're just here in the canteen. How are you na? Oh, that's good. Kasi ano eh, well, I was wondering na maybe you can help me naman sana. Because you know naman na I'm so busy sa pag-cheer ko for our school, di ba? Well, hindi ako makapag-concentrate sa mga homeworks.
Alam mo, Bianca, kaya ka pinasok na magulang mo dito para matuto. Hindi para magpagawa ng assignment sa iba, no?
Well, excuse me, ano? Pero who naman will cheer for our team kung puro pag-aaral ang isipin ko? What about our school? Huh? And besides, hindi naman ikaw ang kausap ko eh. So what do you say, Pinky? Can you make me tulong? It's really simple naman eh. This one, oh.
Chemical reaction.
Mismo! Chemical reaction!